Arrive in style with this 2013 Chevrolet Malibu LS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are tachometer, power brakes, driver's side remote mirror, traction control, rear defroster, center armrest, and dual airbags. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.